We need to tidy up the left side of this equation before we can get k by itself. And we need to distribute this -3 to everything inside of the parentheses and then combine like terms. So -3 times 4 is -12. -3 times -k is +3k. And then, like I said, we'll combine like terms. So we can combine a 2k and a 3k. That will give us 5k minus 12. And now we're at the spot where we have 4 choices. We can move whatever we want. I'm just going to move this thing hanging on the left, and that's a 5k. So I'm going to subtract 5k from both sides. And 3k minus 5k is -2k. And since I moved a variable first, the second thing I have to move and over to the other side is just a number. And -12 plus -4 is -16. They're both negative, so I'm adding them. And that's equal to -2k. The operation connecting -2 and k is multiplication, and I want to undo that. Now that I have a negative divided by a negative, my answer is going to be +8.